Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture, I will guide you for calculating volume of cement bag in cubic meter and also in cubic feet. So therefore, watch this video till the end to learn something new. Let's get started guys. First of all guys, as you know, the density of cement is 1440 kg per meter cube. This is the density of cement. Okay, so the weight of one cement bag is 50 kg. Okay, so now what should be the volume of cement in cubic meter and volume of cement in cubic feet? Why it's important to find out the volume of cement in cubic feet and also in cubic meter? When we find the volume of all cement for M20 grade concrete, M10, M15, M20, so in that case we convert the volume of cement to cement bags. So in that case we require to know the volume of cement bag in cubic feet and also in cubic meter. Okay, so this is the main thing. So the volume of one bag cement is 50 kg. So this is the normal weight. Okay, so now to get the volume of bag cement in cubic meter, okay, we will divide 50 kg by the density of cement. Now what is the density of cement? 1440 kg is the density of cement and one bag cement weight is 50 kg. Okay, so now I need to find the volume of cement in cubic meter. So therefore 50 kg should be divided by density of cement. So 50 kg is the weight of one bag cement and 1440 kg is the density of cement in cubic meter. So therefore when you divide, as you can see, we will divide 50 kg by the density of cement. So therefore 50 kg should be divided by 1440 kg, then you will get the volume 0.3472 cubic meter. So this is the volume of cement bag. For example guys, if you have the volume of this is the other example. Okay, if the volume of cement is, for example, 1.39 cubic meter, if we required 1.39 cubic meter cement, so how many cement bag is required? So in that case we will divide this volume 1.39 divided by 0.03472. when you divide this, so you will get the numbers of cement bags. Okay, so this is the formula. Now remember that the 1 cubic meter, in 1 cubic meter we have 1000 liters of water. Okay, liters you can say. So now again 1 in 1 cubic meter, this is also very important. In 1 cubic meter we have guys 35.315 CFT cubic feet. Okay, so keep in your mind this. How we can get in 1 cubic meter 35.315 CFT? When you multiply 3 point, because in 1 meter, okay, 1 meter is equal 3.28 feet. So therefore 3.28, because this is volume, multiply 3.28 multiply 3.28, then you will get, when you multiply 3.28 with this one, then with this one, so you will get the value 35.315 CFT. So therefore in 1 cubic meter we have 35.315 CFT. So therefore the volume of cement bag in CFT is, as you can see, 0.0347 multiply 35.13, then you will get the volume, because this is the volume of cement in cubic meter and this is the volume. 1 cubic meter is equal 35.135 CFT. So therefore the volume of cement should be in meter cube, should be divided with 35.135. Okay, then you will get the value 1.22650 is the volume of 1 bag cement. Means this volume is cement volume is equal 50 kg. 50 kgs. In the same case, in this volume we have 50 kgs. So in cubic meter we have this volume, and CFT we have this volume. Okay, so guys, this is the conversion of volume of cement and CFT and also cubic meter. Hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.